In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload contacts in Brevo. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and make your way over to Brevo's website. This is where our journey begins. Once you've reached the home page, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Enter your username and password. Take a moment to double-check you've got them right, and then hit Enter. After you're logged in, take a look around the dashboard. You'll want to locate the Contacts section. Click on it, and you'll find yourself in the hub where all your contact management magic happens. Next, you're going to choose one of the available import options that Brevo offers. You've got a few choices here. You can upload a file, copy and paste your contacts, or even import them directly from another tool. Consider what works best for you. If you've got a file ready, uploading it might be the way to go. Otherwise, you could take advantage of the seamless integration with other tools. Suppose you decide on uploading a file or using the copy and paste option. In that case, you'll move on to the task of mapping the data from your file to Brevo's contact attributes. This is an essential step, as you're essentially translating your data so that Brevo understands it perfectly. You'll match columns from your file, such as email, first name, and last name, to the appropriate fields in Brevo. Don't rush through this. Accurate mapping is crucial for ensuring your contacts are added correctly. Once your data is mapped, it's time to review your import settings. Take a moment to go over options like updating existing contacts or deciding how you want to handle any empty fields. These decisions will affect how your contact data is processed, so it's worth spending a few minutes here to make sure everything aligns with your objectives. Now, with everything set and double-checked, it's time for the big moment. Confirm the import process. Once you hit that confirm button, Brevo takes over. Behind the scenes, the system will diligently work to import your contacts according to the settings you established. And there you have it. As soon as you've confirmed the import, Brevo will handle the rest, seamlessly transferring your contact data into your account. Depending on the size of your file, it might take a little while, so be patient. Before you know it, you'll have a fully updated contact list ready to use. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide on uploading contacts in Brevo was helpful. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.